Enter one of the most anticipated na smartphone ni Vivo for this year. This is the Vivo V40 with Zeiss. And nakita naman natin ang performance ni Vivo V30. Yun, wala pang Zeiss. What more, si Vivo V40, nilagyan pa natin ng Zeiss. This one is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Lahat ng kanyang main camera dito ay co-engineered with Zeiss. Meron siyang AI Aura Light Portrait na meron 3D na studio lighting pa. IP68 dust and water resistant. And meron din siya 5,500 mAh na battery which can support up to 80 watts na flash charge. Can't get enough? More details after this quick intro. Now guys, itong si Vivo V40 5G na meron 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage is priced at 26,999, which is just a 2,000 peso increase from the Vivo V30. And ang kanyang higher variant na 12512 has a price point of 29,999. Sa lahat na magpi-pre-order, you will get a 2,000 pesos na discount on this one. And meron pang freebie na TWS from Vivo. So meaning, ang kanyang presyo ay babalik sa Vivo V30 na price for a limited time para sa kanyang mga early bird buyers. More details on the description box below. Now, one of the things na gusto ko sa design niya is matte ang kanya finish. Medyo smooth siya, pero hindi siya kumakapit ang mga fingerprints dito. So, definitely good. Meron siyang Gemini ring design dito sa kanyang camera module, which is very unique para sa Vivo V40. And gustong-gusto ko yung kanyang kapal. Sobrang nipis nito at 7.5mm. One of the thinnest in the industry. Definitely, basta sabi ko sa'yo, ang sarap hawakan to phone nito. Solid na solid. I love the feel. And okay rin ang kanyang curved glass display dito sa kanya, which I think panalo siya for its price point. Ang kanyang gilid is plastic frame and ang kanyang likod is glass back. And overall, ang kanyang grip is pretty good. So, si Vivo V40 would come in 3 colors: Nebula Purple, Sun Glow Peach, and Stellar Silver. Hawak ko dito is the Stellar Silver. Ikaw, anong trip mong color? Let me know in the comments. Now, itong phone is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. And I know yung kanyang performance is quite good. We've seen it in other phones na na-review natin this year. And pagdating sa Antutu benchmark, nakakuha siya ng 806,000 points. And if you further break it down, this is the score na makukuha natin. Wildlife Extreme, 1,477 kanyang loop score and 99% kanyang stability. This is the score na nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench, sa kanyang CPU benchmarking, and sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Looking all good dito sa kanyang thermals, and it throttled to 94% na kanyang best performance. And currently, itong phone ito is running FunCharge 14 inside Android version 14. Now, this phone has a big battery. Meron siyang 5,500 mAh na Blue Bolt battery and kaya na mag-support ng 80 watts na flash charge. Even though na medyo mas malaki ang kanyang battery compared sa mga industry standard, hindi naman siya mabigat at 190 grams. Now, if you ask me kung kaya naman nito magtagal na one whole day, I will tell you walang problema as long as you're using it normally. Based sa akin testing for halos mga 2 weeks already, I would say na makunat naman kanyang battery. It was able to last me the whole day without charging as long as normal lang gamit, walang heavy gaming, walang video chatting all day long. Nung sinalang ko siya sa PC Mark na battery stress test, makunat, 19 hours and a half. Pretty good. This is tested under 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate. So meaning kung tinaasa mo ka ng refresh rate to 120, mas mabilis maubos ang yung battery. Now, ang kanyang display is 6.78-inch na AMOLED display with a 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Support niya HDR10+, and meron siyang maximum brightness of 4,500 nits. Now, ang kanyang front glass is being protected by the Shot Sensation Alpha. And if you swipe through naman itong phone na ito, I would say na sobrang smooth ang kanyang swiping experience dito. So, if you're browsing through yung mga social media mo, be it Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, expect a very smooth transition dito dahil sa kanyang high refresh rate. And by the way guys, itong phone na ito has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, so you can enjoy your favorite Netflix shows on HD. So kung nanonood ka naman ng videos dito on YouTube, expect a really good experience dahil magandang display na itong phone na ito, guaranteed. So guys, itong phone na ito has stereo speaker. Isa sa ilalim and isa sa ibabaw. And gusto lang natin pakinggan kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sounds. Well, okay naman kanyang sounds. It's above average for me, pero hindi pa rin siya kasing lakas ng mga flagship phones. But for me, it's pretty good, pretty loud na rin siya. Siyempre, pag-usapan natin right now ang highlight na itong phone na ito, ang kanyang camera. Now, si Vivo V40 has dual camera sensor. Ang kanyang unang sensor is a 50MP na Zeiss OIS main camera, which is a Samsung ISOCELL GN7 sensor. And ang kanyang other camera is a 50MP na Zeiss ultra wide angle camera, which has a 119 degrees na field of view. This can shoot you up to 4K in 30fps. This one comes together with the Zeiss multifocal portrait, Zeiss style portrait, and Zeiss cinematic portrait video. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 50MP na Zeiss group selfie camera, which gives you a 92 degrees na field of view and autofocus. And this one can also let you shoot up to 4K and 30fps. So right now, papakita ko muna sa some of the shots na ginawa natin on this phone with Aura Light. So itong shot na ito was taken without Aura Light na version 3.0, and this one, kita natin no, the difference pag naka-turn on ng Aura Light. Very nice, very clear, parang sharp na sharp yung mukha ko. Ito medyo dull, medyo dark pag walang Aura Light. And this one, makita natin pag nakakanga tayo, makita natin yung mouth natin, no? Wala kang makita from the inside of my mouth. So, totally pitch black. Parang medyo madungis sa mukha ko dito. Now, if you turn on the Aura Light, makita mo maaliwalas sa mukha ko, very clear, kita mo mga pores, and kita mo what's inside my mouth. No? Pati ngipin, pati yung dila, kitang-kita mo dito sa kanya, which is, I'm pretty sure na is a very good feature dito, yung sa kanang 3D na Aura Light feature dito na meron ng Vivo V40, which I definitely love. Now, if you're hitting the outdoors naman, I was really amazed with yung kanyang dynamic range. And kita mo dito, itong shot na ito was really sharp. Yung kanyang pagka-bokeh effect dito sa likod was really nice. And ang bilis niya, no? By the way, this one has a multi-point na portrait focusing, which gives this camera more versatility compared sa ibang cameras out there. Same goes with this photo. And I would say na magandang kind of focus dito sa kanyang subject, and yung kind of background burst really nice. And if you try to take some mga flower shots dito on the outdoor, I'd say ang ganda ng pagka-focus dito. Kitang-kita mo dito yung kanyang details, and I really love the pictures captured from this camera. Pati itong mga tree shot na ito, I'd say na quite good and quite sharp pa rin naman ang mga puno dito, mga dahon niya. And taking a tall building shot, even medyo gloomy, medyo gumaganda rin ang kanyang surroundings. So right now, nung nilalaro ko ang kanyang ibang lenses dito, this one is a ultra-wide shot. Normal shot, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, and this is a 20 times zoom. Now, medyo lumalabo na siya sa 20 times zoom, but I'd say still usable pa rin naman ang photo na ito. But the best dito is up to 5 times zoom. Very clear, very sharp pa rin kanyang photo. And one thing to like about dito sa kanya is that yung kanyang color between the wide shot and the normal shot is almost the same. Wala masyadong pinagkaiba, which is good sa kanyang color science. Now, if you're outdoor then trying to take some animal shot like this one, okay very sharp. Kita mo lahat ng whiskers dito sa pusa na ito, which is okay For me, it's a really nice performing camera from Vivo. And kung nasa outdoor ka rin naman, taking some full shot, it looks like this. Quite good. Now, let's move on to indoor shot. So, I was able to take a lot of food shot dito. These food shots are really nice. Makita mo talagang very yummy ang datingan niya, and it's really nice. Pati itong mga dessert na ito looks really, really good. Now, so, I would say that itong camera ni Vivo V40 is definitely one of the better ones na nagamit ko so far from Vivo. And yeah, it's a big improvement over from the V30. Kasi yung V30 walang Zeiss na optics yun. Now, if you're trying to take some apparel shot din naman, and you see some really nice na details dito. No? Pag zoom in mo, kitang-kita mo yung details dito sa shoes na ito. Now, if you're into indoor photography, sa low light, expect some really good shots like this ones. I mean, ang ganda, no? This camera was able to perform, and taking a quick shot dito sa Kiel, yung bungo favorite natin, one of my favorite subjects pag nakakita natin, definitely is good. Now, nung tinry naman natin kumuha na some night photography using this camera, you turning on the night mode, you get some really nice good shot dito on outdoor situation kahit medyo madilim. Okay, na-enhance ni Vivo yung kanyang night shot. Now, since this one has a really nice na front-facing camera sensor, I was able to take some really good snaps dito sa kanyang front-facing camera. Taking some of these nice snaps on outdoor was really nice, and I would say sharp ang kanyang colors, and quite natural feel yung kanyang mga snaps na nakuha natin. Yeah, equally said naman dito dito while I'm on the outdoor condition. Was able to get some really nice quick snaps also. And pag pumasok ka naman sa indoor na well lit, okay, you get some really good shots na magugustuhan mo talaga sa kanya. And kahit medyo low light, this one was able to perform pa rin. And probably this is one of my favorite selfie together with yung bungo from Kiel. And another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is when you take groupies, pwede ka mag-zoom out sa kanyang ultra-wide lens which is a 0.8 and it will get you some really nice na group photos just like this one. When you try to take some videos using the front-facing camera, 4K I would say na okay, magandang kanyang resolution except that medyo malikot siya konti. Hindi naman siya sobrang garapalan na shake but I would say na medyo nakaka-irritate. But you can always use yung kanyang ultra steady mode dito. Just need to turn on this one pero magsasacrifice ka lang from 4K down to 1080 and 30 FPS nga lang ang video recording resolution. Pagdating naman sa kanyang rear camera, taking a 4K video using just my bare hand, quite smooth naman siya. I would say na medyo cinematic ang kanyang datingan dito sa video na ito, which I love, no? Dito sa Vivo V40. But you also have the option to turn on yung kanyang ultra anti-shake dito, but yung nga lang, magsasacrifice din siya down to 1080p and 30 FPS. Now, I was able to try to play 4 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, COD Warzone, and Genshin Impact. Now, si Call of Duty Mobile, expect a really good experience dito dahil I was able to set it to all high settings and, well, nevertheless, it was able to give me a fun experience dito. Probably one of the things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is kanyang display and yung kanyang touch response is really fast. Pinakamainin na na-achieve na itong game na ito after playing for around mga an hour is around 41 degrees Celsius, playing all BR games. Pagdating sa Farlight 84, I was able to play 1 hour din, all BR games. There are times na may mafe-feel kang frame drops if you set it to all high settings. Medyo may konting lags, hindi mo maiwasan. Although the gameplay was good, the graphics was good, wala kang maging problema dito pagdating sa graphics, and the sounds was okay. Now, after may pagbakbakan ng isang oras, ang pinakamainin na na-achieve nito is, well, around mga 43 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Warzone, medyo hindi ako masyado nag-enjoy dito slightly kasi yung graphics niya could have been better. Siyempre, don't expect too much. Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, dito 8 series, so expect natin, so you have to lower the expectation mo. Even though nasinet ko to sa medium graphical settings, okay naman ang gameplay, naging smooth naman siya, but yung graphics niya is not as good as if you can set it to all high settings. Na mafe-feel mo some minor frame drops along the way, but nothing really serious. And ang pinakamainin na achieve nito after 30 minutes of gameplay is around 44 to 45 degrees Celsius. Na pagdating sa Genshin Impact, sinet natin sa high graphical settings, okay, the gameplay was good. Surprisingly, halos wala akong masyado na feel na frame drops dito sa kanya. And the good thing dito sa kanya is sobrang smooth naman ang kanyang gameplay. Playing for around mga 30 minutes dito, the controls was good, the touch response was good, the music, the sounds was quite okay, and pinakamainit na na-achieve niya, medyo mainit at around mga 45 to 46 degrees Celsius. So guys, after using for 2 weeks itong phone nito, si Vivo V40, I'm quite impressed with its performance, lalo na sa kanyang camera. Now, the question is, worth it ba ang phone nito at $26,999? And probably it would be $24,999 and a free TWS if you buy it early. This one can definitely rival the Honor 200. The camera is good. I think, personally, this one has a better camera compared to the Honor 200. Overall, kasi alam naman natin ang performance sa kaibigay siya ng size as compared to the Honor 200. And as a daily driver, ito phone ito is definitely very capable. I really love putting this inside my pocket dahil sobrang nipis niya. And the battery is quite makuna. And the battery is quite good. It can last you the whole day without charging. And mabilis yung kanya charging at 80 watts. So I would say there's nothing not to love from this phone. So if you're coming from the Vivo V30 and you're planning to upgrade, this is definitely a good upgrade. But if you're deciding between the Vivo V30 and V40, no doubt, kunin mo na si V40 habang naka-pre-selling pa siya. Pero kahit plus 2,000 pesos over from the Vivo V30, this is still a better choice kasi sa kanyang Zeiss na optics. So guys, if you want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be posting the links on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.